Good morning, welcome back to NK channel. Today we're gonna be making spaghetti, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and press the notification button so that when I'm on, you guys gonna come on and cook with me, and share and like. Then a little bit of oil. Then I have to pour my chicken inside. I just want my chicken a little bit of crunchy, so that after frying it here, if I want to mix my spaghetti and the sauce, I'll put everything inside and turn it together. You guys should just keep watching. Right now I just put the spaghetti. I'm just gonna wait for it to cook a little bit, and I'll pour it in my sink and sieve all the water out, because if I left the water on that spaghetti, it was still gonna be cooking while making the sauce. So keep watching. I'm gonna make the sauce. I put a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put the onions. After frying the onions in a while, it will be kind of crunchy. Then I'll put my sauce and everything. Finish frying my onions. I'm putting the sauce, the tomato sauce. Keep watching, you guys will see the outcome of it. I'm putting my pepper, my crayfish, and allow it to cook in a while and turn it together with the spaghetti. So right now I'm just gonna put my spaghetti inside the pot and turn it. You guys gonna see the outcome of the spaghetti. So after putting the spaghetti, I'm just gonna put my boneless chicken, which I fried a little bit, and it's crunchy. As you can see, it's crunchy. So after turning it, you guys gonna see the outcome of it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to NK channel. Go ahead.
Oh my god, this food is amazing. Anytime I want to order any food, I come to NK because her food is amazing every time. I always order with her. I love her food. I'm gonna try it now. Wow. That has so much flavor. You guys really need to come try this. You guys need to order food with her. It's so good. I really recommend this. Thank you, NK.
You guys can see the outcome of the spaghetti. You guys have to come and try this food. Honestly, it's very delicious and nutritious. So I'm gonna just eat it so that you guys gonna see. Oh my god, this food is the flavor even killing me. Please don't forget to subscribe to NK channel and press the notification button and share and like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you guys with the love of God.